are going to love the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.